I put these gutter guards on, stayed on the screen, and I didn't do the rest of the house because I honestly wanted to see how well they work. These gutters are completely clogged here. It's no good. I did this section of the house here to see how well it would do, because these are a little expensive. They're about $5 a piece, and I think they're 2.5 feet long. I guess considered to having someone install other gutter guards for you, that's probably not bad, I guess, depending on how big your house is. But anyway, you can see I have some debris, some sticks settling here. But I'll tell you, out of maybe 3, we had 3 real torrential downpours since I installed these, and not once has the water run off, which it always used to do. I used to have to come outside with a stick and unclog the gutters in the middle of the rain, which is never convenient. So anyway, and then I didn't have enough to finish, so I had a brown one, which I'm going to take off and replace with a white one. And you'll notice I didn't even screw these in. There's a lip here, so basically they just go underneath your shingles and they just sit and sort of rest in your gutter on the lip there. I was also wondering if I would need to screw them in, but they didn't come loose. They kind of stayed put. So so far really good. I mean, some fine debris in here, but really nothing nothing in the way of stopping water runoff. Get them at Home Depot. They're called Hoover Dam. And I like these because they have that ridged support going on, so that when water's running, if you do get a heavy runoff, it's going to hit this one, then it's going to hit that one, and then that one, to really prevent the water skipping over. That's why I didn't like the other ones, the flat ones, because I just think if you get a heavy runoff, it's just going to skip right over the gutter, and people have said they've experienced that. So so not once has the water run off. It hasn't gotten clogged. I recommend them. Of course, I will update this video if anything changes in the future. Thanks for watching.